So let's now talk about the candles. So many people are thinking that if the candle is green color, the prices are going to up, and if the so we can enter. If the candle is red, we are going to exit. So like this, they are the determined by the color of the candle. They are deciding with only the color of the candle. So you should not do it. The just to understand, it is not just the color, it's the body, it's the shape of the candle that decides the bullish or bearish or up or down in the market. So these are the candles. This is a green is a buyer candle and red is a seller candle, or bull green, bear red. So candle colors, the green is a bull candle where the bulls are winners or buyers are the winners, and red is the bearish where sellers are the winners. So the size of the candle matters. The bigger the body, the bigger the bulls or buyers, the bigger the body of the red candle, the bigger the wins of sellers or bear. So another thing to note in the candle is the candle shadow. The length of the shadow or tail is matter, because they are rejection at the extreme level. The buyers or sellers are not ready to take at that price, so they are rejecting up that candle. So it is the most important, it is also the most important thing to note down. So if you not take any lessons at all from this video, this is one of the most important lesson. The candle closing level, never judge the candle before it closes. You should not judge the candle before it closes. The candle may be started green so that everyone will enter the trade, but as soon as you enter, it will turn into red. I think many people have experienced this type of things. So you must wait until the candle is closed fully, then only you can determine whether the next candle is going to be a buyer candle or bullish candle, or a bear candle or seller's candle. The closing value is also very important. So anything you interpret with, anything you decide without this, without before the closing of the candle, is wrong, and you should not do it. One of the most important quality of the trader we need is patience. So you must remain patient until the candle closes fully. I can't insist how much times, but it is one of the most important lessons. So there are many types of candles here. They call it a hamming pattern, flying pattern, dancing pattern. There are many names and many patterns they call, but our aim is very different. I'm saying it from the starting of the channel. Our aim is to be, we should have a maximum profit with a minimum number of losses, and with a very simple strategy, not very complicated like other people are doing. So which are commonly called a star, humming, engulf, hammer, hanging, two crows, three mountains, four soldiers. Not and the list is endless. Don't follow these people. They are making the simple life very complicated. So let's see. We are going to focus on only 3 candle formations. Yes, just 3. The whole market, every day, you are going to just focus on 3 type of candles. So let's see what are those candles. They are undersized candles or small candles, oversized candles or large candles. The candle with long shadows or long tails, we will name it a long candles. 3 type of candles, we name it as small candles, large candles and long candles. They are simply, small candles are undersized, large candles are extremely large, and the candles with long tail or shadow is long candle.